No need for any fanfare preparation. Just make sure you're wearing loose-fitting clothes, whether it's pajamas or your regular yoga clothes, whatever. Let's begin lying on our backs in active rest, so knees bent, feet flat, and start following your breath moving in and out through your nose. As you do this, start to pay attention to where your body connects with the earth and let yourself take a few minutes here. Let's draw our left knee into our chest. You could stay here or straighten the right leg, your choice. And then point and flex this left foot and the right foot, why not? And then roll the ankles one way, roll them the other way. Now take your hands behind your hamstrings. Knee goes into chest. Keeping the knee right there, begin to straighten the leg just to whatever degree it will go. And now move just the toes. So curl the toes and then flex the toes. Just the toes. Waking up the toes and the hamstring. Bend your right knee again, foot flat, cross, left ankle, right thigh. Maybe you're staying here today. Maybe this feels like, ooh, yeah, that's a little tight. I gotta breathe into that. Or you could lift the right foot up. Reach around, grab a hold of the front of the right shin, shoulders back. Breathe into what you're feeling. Feeling your way into your body. Stay here, or there's more options if you want. Reach your hands underneath this shin, like so. Right foot down to the ground. Now, to intensify this, you would straighten your right leg or keep it bent. And then gently move this left leg in a circle, slowly. And then stir it in the other direction. Enjoying all these sensations as you lubricate the hip joint. You're going to bring yourself into half of a happy baby. So you might grab the shin or the thigh or the top of the foot or the sole of the foot. And then the knee, the ankle stacks over the knee goes to the left of the shoulder. And then you start bringing that left knee down and just feeling a nice opening there. First two fingers of your left hand grab the left big toe and right hand down to the ground for support. Start to bring that left leg up to the sky. So this might not work, okay? Really. You might be grabbing down here, here, whatever's right for you today. Spreading the toes, feeling the hamstring wake up. And then keeping your right hip down, bring your left leg over to the left. Whatever works for you today, right? Inhale, leg goes up. Left knee into chest where you began. Feel how that feels now. And then we're going to change it a little bit. So flex the left foot, draw the knee in. As you point the foot, straighten the leg up to the sky. So getting into the nerves, bend the knee into the chest, flex the foot, point the foot, straighten the leg. There you go. Calming those nerves down, flex, squeeze, knee in and up, and then straighten. Now let's bend the leg down, foot flat. Yeah. And now feel how that side feels compared to the right side. Now you can straighten the leg. Pose, both knees bend, feet flat. Draw your right knee into your chest and choose to either straighten the left leg or not. Rolling the ankle one direction and rolling it the other. Now pointing and flexing the whole foot. Change your hand position behind the hamstring, knee into chest. Keep the knee in as you begin to straighten the leg. And just the toes are going to curl and then flex. Say hi, toes. Bend the left knee. Cross right ankle over left thigh. And choose to, you might stay here, or lift the left foot up. Reach through, grab a hold of the shin. Chest open. And breathe. If you would like to go deeper, then you're going to take the hands underneath the right outer calf here, left foot down, and the left leg could straighten if you want. And gently circle the knee and the hip. Really the femur bone circling the other way. And now grabbing some part of hopefully the lower leg, stacking the knee and the ankle in the same line, right? And then the knee is going to go to the outside of the shoulder. Left thigh bone goes down. First two fingers, grab the big toe. If you can. If not, grab some other part of the leg. Leg goes up. So you can always do this or this. You can use this left hand down on the floor for support. And then slowly with the left hip nice and heavy, bring that right leg over to the right. Now inhale your right leg up to the sky. Knee back into the chest. Feel how that feels now. Flex the right foot. Straighten the leg, point the foot. Calm down the nerves. Draw the knee in, flex the foot. Straighten and point. One more. Knee in. Right foot down. And then slowly straighten the legs and feel how that feels. Maybe more balanced, maybe not. Let's see. Draw the knees into your chest. Nice gentle twist, knees to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees to the right. Inhale, center. Supta Baddha Konasana, feet to the ground. Soles of the feet together, knees open, palms face up to the sky. Allow your eyes to close as you imagine that when you step off of your bed, your mat, the floor, you're stepping into a new world full of new possibilities for the rest of your day today. Now press subscribe and remember to like this video. That lets me know that you want more content like this. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.